Let's continue looking at examples on probability. We looked before at the box that contains the marbles, and we looked at the situation where you pick one or the other and you added the probabilities. Now let's look at something a bit different. Here, what we're doing is looking at what the probability is that you pick two red marbles in a row. It means you pick a red and a red again. We're looking at and one and the other. In this case, you're going to multiply. Alright? So, and remember, it's which replacement? So, what's the probability that you pick two red marbles in a row? In this case, with two red marbles in a row, looking at part A, the probability that the marble you pick is a red is you have 3 red divided by total of 5 marbles. Now, the probability that you pick 2 red marbles in a row is 3/5, and you pick again 3/5. So you multiply them, so it's going to be 3 3s 9 over 5 5 25. 9 25. That's 2 red in a row. Part A. Now let's look at part B. The probability that you pick 2 blue marbles in a row is part B. What happens? The probability that the marble you pick is blue is going to be, you have 2 blue marbles divided by the total of 5 marbles. On the second pick is the same thing. The probability that you pick a blue marble is going to be the same, 2/5. So the probability that you pick a blue and then another blue is 2/5 multiplied by 2/5. So it's 2 2s 4 divided by 5 5 25. So you have 4 25. Alright? Now of course, you do have a smaller probability here, 4 25, as opposed to 9 25, because you have less blue than red. Now let's look at part C. The probability that you pick 3 red marbles in a row. Well, we know from before that the probability that you pick a red is 3/5. Or you have 3 red and a total of 5. But 3 of them, one behind the other. And remember, it's with replacement. So it's 3/5 multiplied by 3/5 multiplied by 3/5. So what you have is 3 3s 9 9 3s 27 divided by 5 5 25 25 5 125. So you have 127 divided by 125. Alright? Now you can see here that the probability that you keep picking the same color keeps decreasing over time. For example, the probability that you pick a red first is 3/5, which is what? 3/5 is 60%. The probability that you pick a red 2 times is 9 25. No, 9 divided by 25 is going to be 36%. So this is 36%. Decrease from 60 to 36. And the probability that you pick 3 of them, 3 red marbles in a row is 27 divided by 125. What is that? 21.6%. So 21.6%. All right. In other words, as you keep picking, the chance of you getting the same number over and over declines. It has declined from 60 to 36 to 21.6%. All right. So when you talk about the probability of something happening and then it happening again, you multiply the probabilities. So we'll continue looking at probability in further videos and looking at additional examples. But for now, I will see you then. I want you to, if there's anything you don't understand, try this problem again without looking back at the video. And of course, make a comment and I'll see if I can, I'll address your comment and see if I can make even another video to kind of clear up what your comment is. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video.